We're loading up for another of our transcontinental overland cruises. And this time, we're heading up to Overland Expo in the Pacific Northwest. And then, after that, well, points beyond. Here we go.
I wish to lead a country life. Hard work, low wages. These days, they lie ahead of us, just out of reach. We're making changes. I'll hold the book, you turn the pages. Take what we want, take what we need.
First stop, Buc-ee's. Potty stop. Okay.
This land of us, it's all we need. Give me warmth and shelter. All is well to count on me.
All set? Everybody's pooped?
Booked eat.
What about you?
I just need lunch. I'm hungry.
Okay. Pumps are slow.
What's the price of the gas though?
$4.29. So $800 there, $800 back, so $1,600. Roughly.
Still cheaper than flying.
Plus we get to take the dogs and all of our stuff. Free lodging. It's true, when you carry your house on your back, it's cheaper to just drive wherever you're going. Anytime we travel, the first day is spent just driving across Texas. Trying to get out of this state is a full day's work. This is our first ever camping experience in a KOA, so don't judge us. We prefer camping out in the wild, but the options for finding a national forest in the flat plains of the Texas Panhandle are somewhat limited. The next day we're back on the road, but let's see if we can't speed this up a little. Probably about 4 hours away from the expo. We spent last night in Meridian, Idaho, which is in Boise. It's really Boise, Idaho. We stayed in a hotel last night because I needed internet access so I could do some work. For the next few days, we're going to camp at the Overland Expo, and that should be fun. Looking forward to that. And like I said, probably 4 hours from now we'll be there.
3 hours and 47 seconds.
3 hours, 47 minutes.
I said seconds. Maybe I am tired.
Yeah, maybe you am. Somebody got ducked. Am I supposed to show you this?
No, not me.
Hey, weekend pass with camping.
All right, we're tight. Go down, see the kid right there flagging. You're going to hang a left around that E-pole and go down, and I've got another volunteer down there. They'll show you right where to park.
Feeling good. You know me. I'm all about my business. No apologies. I run a life fitness. Can't believe this moment. I'm free.
If you've never heard of Overland Expo, well, don't feel bad. It just means you're not one of the cool kids.
Gotta go big 'cause I got that. Gotta go big 'cause I got one life. I'm feeling good. Feeling good.
There are about 4 or 5 of these events held throughout the country each year.
'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place.
This one is called Overland Expo Pacific Northwest, and it's held in Bend, Oregon each year in July.
That's more than what we need.
Let's get wild.
So what is it? Well, it's a love fest for folks that do adventure traveling of any sort.
Never ever leave me in this moment. Come with me. I'm feeling good.
There are overlanding rigs of every sort here. Vans, bikes, campers, and just all sorts of overpriced accoutrements.
'Cause I found my place where I'm always feeling good.
Hi, kitty.
He wants in there.
Hi. Oh, he rides in the backpack?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you.
The vendors all hope you come here to buy stuff. But I think most people like us really come here for inspiration, or to be around like-minded folks, and to see how the rich people live.
Never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm
With all this expensive equipment, you could live a life on the road just like a glorified homeless person, living in a van down by the river.
feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I found my place.
We've thought about maybe adding a trailer to our rig, so we can haul more crap and lower our gas mileage even more. When you overland in a Jeep, space is very limited, especially if you want to carry essentials like a couple of telescopes and telescope mounts and lots of camera equipment for telescopes and power supplies for telescopes and maybe a dog or two. Oh, and a significant other.
Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I found my place where I'm always feeling good.
If this overlanding thing sounds fun, then look up Overland Expo. But you don't need to spend an arm and a leg to enjoy camping. A lot of this can be done on the cheap. But I'm sad to say you'll probably be more like me if you do, and you won't be one of the cool kids. After the expo, we're tired of all the romanticized consumerism and, quite frankly, of just being around people. We're ready for some solitude and scarcity. So, we head north to the Idaho Panhandle for a couple of peaceful days in the National Forest. You know, the way we travel has little to do with the destination. It's the journey. And camping, yeah, you've heard it before, but camping is therapy for us. What's the chef cooking?
I'm having a salad. Chicken salad.
Chicken salad.
Yep. Got some tomatoes, avocados, onions, chicken, and lettuce.
See those two trees missing their tops? I'm thinking odds are they were struck by lightning.
Poor Luna.
Our two dogs are named Luna and Saul. They are brother and sister, part of the same litter, raised together in the same house since they were puppies. But they have two very distinct personalities. If it looks like we're set up on the side of a road, well, that's not wrong. It's a dead-end forest road. We're actually about 8 miles from pavement here. And we've seen one truck drive by in the last 2 days. And the weather? Well, the weather, it's highly unusual for one of our trips, but the weather is perfect. There hasn't been a cloud in the sky for the last 3 days. While the sun's out, it's hailing. Fire out there.
Oh,
See the fire?
yeah, I do.
As they say, it's the journey, not the destination. But we say going on an adventure has little to do with the weather or the destination.
I wonder if that was caused by lightning.
I mean, we kind of know the direction we're heading, but we don't always know where we'll sleep at night. Taking a journey is only therapy when you don't have to hurry up to get there. I'm sure there's a life lesson there somewhere, but I also think that fire may have indeed been caused by lightning.